So you open a blank document in your MS Word, you go to design, and on your immediate right you see watermark. You then scroll down to custom watermark. Now on this interface we have the no watermark, the picture watermark, and the text watermark. We are going with the text watermark. So under the text there's an automatic text which is ASAP. You delete that and then type whatever name you'd love to use as your watermark. So I am using Team Lorty. Then you move on to the font, the font style. So I'm going to change the font style to something I prefer, and then the size, I love it just as it is, automatic. Then the color, you can change it to blue, to wine, to any color of your choice, but I'm sticking to black. Yes, so once you're done you click on apply and OK. Now the next thing we're going to do in this episode is to change smaller case letters or smaller case letters to uppercase letters. That's small letters to capital letters. For instance, you're writing an essay, you forgot to enter the caps lock key and you're done with the essay, you don't know what to do. You don't have to delete the whole paragraph. You simply have to use this method to change your smaller case letters to uppercase letters. So once you're done typing, you click on Ctrl A to highlight the text and Ctrl Shift A to change the text from smaller case letters to uppercase letters. Thank you very much for watching this episode. I'm definitely going to see you in another episode. Stay tuned and stay connected.